The 2026 Honda Accord continues to be a top choice in the midsize sedan category, offering a blend of comfort, efficiency, and advanced technology. What's new for 2026? While the 2026 model carries over many features from the previous year, it introduces the new Nightshade Edition. This edition adds sporty design elements, including blacked-out exterior accents and unique wheels, giving the Accord a more aggressive stance. The 2026 Accord offers a hybrid powertrain that combines a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with electric motors, delivering a total of 225 horsepower in front-wheel drive models. All-wheel drive versions add a third motor, increasing the combined output to 232 horsepower. Both configurations are paired with a continuously variable transmission, ensuring smooth acceleration and efficient fuel consumption. Inside, the Accord boasts a spacious and comfortable cabin with seating for 5. The base LX trim comes equipped with an 8.0-inch touchscreen, while higher trims offer a 12.3-inch touchscreen. Standard features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Honda Sensing, which encompasses adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Every 2026 Accord is equipped with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced safety features that includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. Higher trims offer additional safety features such as blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. The price of the 2026 Honda Accord starts at $30,195 and goes up to $37,920, depending on trim and options. If you're seeking a mid-size sedan that offers a blend of efficiency, comfort, and advanced technology, the 2026 Honda Accord is a compelling choice. The addition of the Nightshade Edition provides a sportier aesthetic, while the hybrid powertrain options cater to those looking for better fuel economy.